and today we will talk about one of my all-time favorite topics in Italian cuisine, antipasto, arancini e banchetto tartufo. And in English, that is rice balls with white truffle, also known as bianchetto truffles. These are found in Campania during the spring season. They are used to add truffle flavor to antipasto and various dishes like pasta and risotto. Ingredient T: 109 grams rice is about 1 serving, 300 grams is 2 to 3 servings. Bianchetto truffles, flakes 300 grams of arborio rice, Parmesan cheese, salt black pepper, 2 eggs ricotta cheese or cottage cheese, breadcrumbs, olive oil. Esecuzione: overnight, let the rice stay in a pot of water, preferably refrigerated. In a pot, add 1/3 water, add the arborio rice and bring to a boil. Drain in a strainer and let it rest for 5 minutes. In a bowl, bring the rice in there and add a spritzer of olive oil. Add 4 tablespoons of truffle flakes. Now add 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, ground peppercorn or black pepper. Blend in 2 eggs yolks. Add the ricotta cheese and the rest of the white truffle flakes. Now mix everything together with incessant vigor, then let it rest for 3 hours in the fridge. Now create golf ball size arancini, and with a teaspoon, stuff the inside with ricotta and truffle flakes, then close the balls. Take out 2 bowls. In one bowl, beat the egg whites. In another bowl, add the breadcrumbs. Dip the arancini ball twice in the egg white without dripping, then dunk in breadcrumbs evenly spread across. Repeat this for each ball. In a deep skillet, add the olive oil and set to medium heat. Add the balls and let fry until filled brown. Place the balls on a serving platter laden with a Scott towels to drain excess oil. Serve. This exquisite appetizer or antipasto may not be in your routine, but good to add for those special occasions. Buon appetito!